All right, whenever you're in a project, and this is an essential cart to take with you on job sites or even use it here. We use a lot of heavy equipment, machinery, and tools that we move around. And of course, bodies cannot take it all the time. For example, this is almost a 300, 200 pound box that's carrying a bunch of our tools. And of course, we always want to drink our stuff on the road. This perfect cart. And another very important thing, that this has brakes for both ends, right? So you could brake the cart. One of the best things I like about it, I'm gonna show you what it does. On the cart itself, there's a little hanging area here for just cabling, right? So not only can it carry the weight, it actually makes a perfect cart for job site projects and even in places like here. All right, as you can see, this cart can carry a lot of the weight. And of course, we're kind of organized here, so we like to keep our tools nice and neat here. And look at the movement on the actual cart in here. It's really good. So not only can you carry your tools and extra equipment, I was able to take this on projects, job sites, and actually put computer equipment, because I work in the IT field. I used to carry a lot of monitors, printers, computers, and of course, this is an essential tool. Not just tools, but it's another tool for the project too. And it comes with actually a towel hanger too, that I took it off because the metal piece kept falling off. It has this holder here, extra toolboxes in here, and like you notice, we carry a lot of stuff in here, and we always have this little cart here full of tools, because if anybody needs it, we just move it from one place to another. We don't have to worry about, you know, taking the whole entire parts one by one when it's all there. And of course, they have brakes. The two back wheels can carry a lot of weight, and they do have brakes. All right, this cart can carry a lot of weight. Yeah, that's right. It could carry a lot of weight, like myself. But if it could carry this, it could carry essential tools, right? So one thing I like about this cart, I did put the brakes, so it's not movable. If you guys can see, it's very fixed area. So those that are working in areas that are uphill or maybe downhill, it's a must.